Another day, another suffering.
Hey babe. Your name suits you, don't you know that? Why? Don't you know your skin like your name Kim? We have so many food in our house. Do you want some? You know what? Maybe when it's came to your house, you'll ruin our reputation.
But hindi for bullying me. You only know how to bully me. I don't know why. Because my appearance is bad. Like, you don't know what I'm doing.
Ali, let's go. Don't think about her too much. We'll be late on our class.
Morning, nice to meet you. I'm Mr. Manalo, your school counselor. How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
Anything else, I want you to inform this session is confidential and anything you say is important. I will listen to you attentively and help you process your concern. So let's talk about your concern. If you're comfortable enough to speak, feel free to speak.
I was being bullied for almost 3 years by my classmate. Because my appearance and status, I did not tell to anyone because I'm too afraid to talk about this to my family, to my friends, and to anyone. I did not tell. I thought they would be stopped, but I was wrong.
I know it's hard for you, and you were keeping your problems to yourself.
Yes, sir. Because I don't want them to give more headache and stress to them.
So the source of your problem is the one who is bullying you, and you didn't tell to anyone rather than keeping to yourself?
Yes, sir. That's right.
Is it possible for you to tell about this to your family so you can get what their insight about this? But all I can say is, do not confront your bullies as it can be more hard to do.
Yes, sir. I can open up to them and have their insight and insight about this.
That's good. If you have a concern about your problem, you can always come back to me.
What, sir?
Hello?
Rowan, how's your work?
Hi, yes.
Your son is graduating this year. We have to pay his tuition fee and graduation fee. If not, he cannot graduate and get his report card.
What do you want me to do? My boss didn't give my salary this month. He said I always ask him for an advance. I don't know what to do.
What do you expect? I
It's
don't
always
have to
been
work.
like this.
You are the only
Every
one
week
who is
when my
working.
dad is back
Do
home
you think I
after
want
work,
this?
they will fight about money. Sometimes, I think if I will drop out of school, they won't fight anymore. Rather, helping them by working. No, Rafael. There is another solution for this. Maybe go to a mental health counselor.
Good morning. Nice to meet you all. I'm Mr. De La Cruz, a mental health counselor.
Nice to meet you, sir. I'm Rowan, and this is my wife, Celine, and this is my son, Rafael.
So how are you all today?
We are fine, sir.
Is this your first time at counseling?
Yes, sir.
Before anything else, I want to inform you all this session is confidential and anything you say is important. I will listen to all of you attentively and help process all your concerns. So let's talk about your concern. If any one of you is comfortable enough to speak, feel free to speak.
I'm the one who urged them to go. I was affected about their quarreling about financial problem because I was a graduate student in senior high school and I have to pay my tuition fee and my graduation fee. If not, I cannot graduate and I cannot get my report card. In every week, when my father got home, they will fight. And after his work, they will fight again.
I know it's hard for you. You want to help them, but you cannot because you are still studying.
Yes, sir, because I don't want them to fight anymore and give them stress.
So, the source of your problem is the fighting of your parents every week after your dad got back home. And it affected you so much. And you want to help them, is that right? To manage your financial problem, you must create a budget planner. And next, track your spending and avoid buying things that are not necessary. For the meantime, you need to buy the needs, not the wants. And to save some money, if there is left for you, to have emergency funds.
Quarreling is